Well, he had 6 gold medals last year. This time he's finished with 1 better, claiming 7th in the 100 meters freestyle boys under 21. The smiling Srihari Nataraj certainly wants to concentrate on the 100 and 200 meters backstroke and freestyle goals today. And what a performer he's proved to be, completely focused on the job.
Well, let's take a listen as to what the champion had to say.
Under 17 for Delhi, winning 5 gold medals in the boys section, under 17 boys, Swadesh Mondal, and certainly a person to look out for. Swadesh Mondal has shown a lot of promise in the competition and has dominated the races where he was taking part. So Delhi owe it to him with 5 gold medals. Swadesh Mondal had a chat with Star Sports after his 5 gold haul.
And Sartaj Singh from Punjab, 50-meter rifle under 21 event. I mean,
3 position, scoring 447 points. 50 meters rifle, you shoot standing, prone and kneeling in Sartaj Singh Tiwana of Punjab, winning the gold medal in the 50-meter rifle. 3 positions, you're shooting the .22 rifles from that 50-meter distance.
And Maharashtra was not far behind either. Harshada Sadanand, 10-meter air pistol under 21. Absolutely perfect. Total score 236.3.
Harshada Nithave of Maharashtra, 10 meters air pistol under 21 girls, gold medalist, picking up for.
And 10-meter air pistol under 17 from Telangana, Esha Singh was absolutely finding the mark finding. She had the bullseye as well. Under 17 girls, we're talking about 10-meter air pistol. Esha Singh from Telangana winning the gold for herself. She trains at the Gagan Narang Academy, and you know, it's a very important way you train. Well, Poonam to begin with was, she beat Hatal Dama, who was in blue. Poonam was in red. Haryana was there with the, the right jab, the upper hook, but she defeated Hatal Dama, under 17 girls.
Referee stops the contest as the opponent is considered to be far superior, and that's why Poonam, wearing the red singlet, declared the easy winner. That was the under 21, under 17 girls quarterfinals, bantam kilogram, 45 kilograms.
Joni beat Poonam, and it was absolutely 5-0. I mean, it was quite unanimous. 60 kilogram category in the under 21 girls. She had all the moves. She had the right jab, she had the combination going for her, the left-right combination, as we always say in boxing is very important. And then she had the evasive skills as well. You always score with good defensive skills as well.
Ankshita Boro of Assam in red came up with a unanimous victory with Nalanki Lakai of Meghalaya. So 2 girls from the northeastern states where women's boxing has taken such firm roots after Maricom's success that it's very difficult to see. It's under 16. Ankushita is also a Youth World Championships gold medalist and best boxer of that event as well.
And marking always comes not just by the attack but also by the defense. So she also had the evasive skills going for her, and the discipline, your attitude on the mat. You have to be aggressive and you score from those points. And boxing, that is what we showed. And then volleyball action also, what we brought you. Kerala actually beat Maharashtra 3-0 to win second match in Pool A in under 21 category. Straight sets, 27-25, 25-23, 25-19. Kerala now play Tamil Nadu in Pool A fixture, Ravi.
The Kerala, playing in white and blue, were completely dominant. First game went to extra points, but thereafter they made sure that they did not falter, and host Maharashtra were put out in the under 21 boys section in straight sets by Kerala.
So this is what it is. Kerala play Tamil Nadu in Pool A fixture next. Delhi upset Haryana in under 21 till the 19th minute. It was Haryana who were leading. Delhi had the lead, and they finally had the final hurrah and the laugh and the win as well. And the semi-final hopes are still alive.
Well, that's the first win for Delhi and the first loss for Haryana. So both teams had everything to play for, as the Delhi boys did not cave in under the mountain of lead that Haryana had piled up in the first half. Good win there for Delhi against Haryana, 31-29.
And Tamil Nadu were dominant against Punjab and they were lethal. And they scored 50 points previously against Kerala in the previous encounter. Punjab had beaten Maharashtra. So we were expecting a very stiff contest, a neck-and-neck affair. But Tamil Nadu and their defense were just too good. And their raiders, in particular, there was one man called Parivallal. Parivallal got a super 10 and he was good with the dash, with the block, everything. And the turn and the tumble was also going for him.
Well, nothing seemed to be going right for Punjab as the Tamil Nadu defense had stopping them everywhere. Radhakrishnan getting away with the big escape just before half time.